Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button, go on ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload fresh new content. In this video, we will be making homemade Salisbury steak, so let's get right into it. For the Salisbury steak, you will need some ground beef or whatever ground protein you choose to use. I then add some green pepper and onion. I usually get the frozen kind to make it much easier. I then add breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, seasonings of choice, and then Worcestershire sauce. Begin to mix everything together, and then once everything is mixed well and blended together, I then begin to form my patties. Once my patties are formed, I will say that I let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes in the fridge. And so I form them and then I let them rest in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. On the stove, I have my cast iron skillet getting hot, and so once it's hot and ready, I begin to place my patties, cook them on both sides, and then you will see that I remove them and then put them in an aluminum pan and get ready to prepare my gravy. Into that same pan with all the drippings from cooking the steaks, I add butter to the pan, and then I'm going to add some fresh chopped onions, and then I'm going to add a half cup of flour, and then 2 cups of beef broth. I season the broth with onion soup and dip mix, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then some other Cajun seasonings that I like that I use in my pantry. I personally like to also add some of the Tony's roux mix to make it a gravy consistency, and it also has very good flavor. So if you haven't tried the Tony's roux mix, I recommend that you try it just to make extra delicious gravy. guys will see that I am adding more broth than just the 2 cups listed. That's because I am cooking for a family of 5 and then I'm cooking for 2 days, and so usually I have to double my recipe in order for us to have leftovers for 2 days. You know how it goes. Food is not lasting as long as it used to. I put the gravy on top of the patties in my pan. I did bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes on 350, 10-15 minutes, and then they were done. I will leave the recipe below in the description box so you guys can get a sense of the measurements that I use. But that's it, guys. This was a very simple and easy recipe to make. I paired the Salisbury steak with mashed potatoes and green beans. This really took me back to my childhood. So let me know if you guys have tried this recipe. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.
Thank you.